In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google your default search engine in Edge. So if you're in Edge, you can see Bing is my recommended default. Well, we want to use Google. I'm going to show you how to get here though. So let's just open up a new window. Okay, so what you need to do, I'm in Edge, top right, click on these three dots. Okay, so three dots is settings and more. So click on settings and more. And then once I clicked on that, go down to settings. Once you're in here, go to Privacy, Search and Services, which on my list is the second one down. Click on that. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And at the bottom here, I've got Address Bar and Search. So click on that one there. By the way, do rewind the video if you ever lost. It's quite a long process to get to here. From this screen, you've now got search engine used in the address bar. We've got Bing, which is recommended default, or you can pick one of these. So that's the easiest way, is just to pick Google. I'll show you the other way as well. You've got manage search engines. You can click on that. And you've got a bigger list here if you wanted to have it. So if you did have other things that you wanted as your address bar search engine, you might want YouTube, I suppose. I don't know why you want Daily Mail. We can then do click on the three dots and change it to make default. Of course, it says recommended here because Bing is from Microsoft and Edge, which is the browser, is also from Microsoft. Anyway, that's the process done. If I was to go back, you can see the search engine used in the address bar is Google now, which is the default. If you did want to change it to anything else, you just click on it and change it there. That's how you do it. Now, hopefully, if I type in here something, so I'll put in, there you go, Everton, it comes up with Google. There you go. It is using Google rather than using Bing. Hope you found this video useful. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be creating lots more top tips on how to do things like this. And thank you very much for watching.